To make an emotion self-portrait, you're going to draw a picture of yourself. I like to start with a circle for my head, 2 black dots for my eyes, white circles around those. I draw a triangle for my nose, and I'm going to draw a little banana shape for my mouth because I'm smiling. You can add hair or ears or eyebrows, whatever is good for you. Now I'm going to use yellow if I'm having happy feelings today, and I am because I get to talk to you guys. I'm going to use blue if I have some sad feelings. Maybe I can use it to draw some tears like I'm crying. Sometimes I have more than one feeling at the same time, so I might use more than one color. I can use red if I have any angry feelings. I'll add some of that to my hair. Now this definitely isn't how I look in real life, but it is how I feel. I'm going to use purple if I have any feelings of scared or being afraid, and green if I'm feeling disgusted about anything. Ugh. I can't wait to see what you guys make.